everybody. In today's video, I'd like to discuss about our AI-powered accreditation management platform that caters to multiple accreditations. We will also talk about the benefits for the internal quality assurance cell, the benefits for the faculties and the institution's management. Let me log into the portal so that I can give you a live demonstration of how the portal works. Before we get into the working of the portal, I'd like to talk about the benefits of using a portal like ours. Our portal, which is called Campus Technology, this is a AI-powered accreditation data management software. By using this, an institution can cater to multiple accreditations. It could be NAC, it could be NBA, it also could be different ranking frameworks like NIRF, it could also be ABET, it could also be QS ranking. These are some of the rankings and accreditations that the institution can apply to. Now, once the institution decides to apply for these ranking and accreditation frameworks, the responsibility is upon the different stakeholders to upload the data, and the responsibility is also on the internal quality assurance cell to collect the data in a timely manner. Now, the challenge for an institution who is not using a portal like ours is to collect the data, since the amount of data that is required for these ranking frameworks and accreditations is quite large, and most of the institutions spend months together in collecting the data. And if there are multiple accreditation frameworks or ranking frameworks that the institution is applying for, then the faculties end up uploading or collecting that same data again at multiple intervals in different formats, because each of these accreditation bodies, they require data in a particular format. Different kinds of documentations are required. Now, what happens, since the faculties are already involved in different academic and administrative activities, uploading or collecting the same data time and again becomes time consuming. That is where our platform comes in. This platform is customized for different rankings and different accreditations, and once a faculty logs in, we as in the platform collects the data only once. Once the data is uploaded by the faculties, the portal can take care of generating the reports in multiple formats. It also can take care of document validation. Now, with this, what happens, as a user, as a faculty, I upload my data only once, and the internal quality assurance cell or the director of the internal quality assurance cell or the team will be able to view all of the data that is being uploaded by faculties. They will also get first-hand information regarding the document validation, because when a faculty uploads the data and the supporting document for the respective data, we have a AI module that verifies the document uploaded. Let me show you an example of uploading the data and supporting document. Here in the left hand side, if you click on personal CAS data, you have a lot of information that is required by a faculty to upload. These are individual faculty contributions. So it might be projects, it could be publications, we have patents, any consultancy activities, books and chapters. It also could be any PhD guideship if they are guiding any students for PhD. We also have patents. So these are some activities, or these are some data that is required by each individual faculty. Now, let's say we are uploading data for projects. So we have an option here. You can upload the data one by one, or you could upload the data in bulk. Here, once you click on the add button, you can upload the details of the project, the name of the project, the agency which has approved the project, or the agency from which the grant was received, then the type of project. Is it university funded? Is it funded by an external agency, RUSA, TechIP? There are some options given. The faculties can fill up this information and click on the add button. Once the data is added, it displays in the table below. And if you scroll to the right hand side, we have an option called check document. This is where AI is used. As a faculty, you can click on the check document and submit the supporting document that is required for that particular entry. In this case, it could be a sanction letter. You could click on choose file and then upload the sanction letter. and click on check PDF. If it is a PDF format of the sanction letter, you can click on check PDF. We have also given an option for image. It could be JPEG or PNG. You can also upload that. You can submit the supporting document here, choose the particular file and click on check PDF. Once you click on check PDF, the AI will take a look at the supporting document uploaded and let you know if the document is valid or not, if the document is relevant for that particular data added or not. This basically saves a lot of time, because generally what happens, this data and document is uploaded by the faculty, and IQAC or the team of the team in IQAC will have to go through the data, check the documents manually, and then get back to the teacher to tell if the document is valid or not. So by then a lot of time has passed, and then the faculties are also under a lot of pressure to correct the mistakes at the last minute. Since IQAC is also responsible for verifying the data documents not only for faculties but at the institution level and department level, this becomes time consuming. That is where the data management portal comes in, and that's where our AI module also comes in. All the faculties have to do is upload their personal data and then use the check document option to validate the documents, and the IQAC team can log in as admin and they will get an overview of all the data and documents that are uploaded by the faculties. They'll also get information about the documents. If the document is validated and corrected, then it could directly be used for uploading documents to these accrediting bodies or rankings. So similarly, the benefits for the IQAC is that they don't have to manually collect any data, irrespective of whichever accreditation or ranking framework that the institution is applying for. They will be able to generate the reports instantly. At the click of a button, they'll be able to generate reports, because the portal takes care of converting the data into the required formats. And whereas document verification is concerned, since we have the AI module to verify the documents, this also saves a lot of time. Similarly, for the management, if they have to get an overview of the status of the data being uploaded by the faculties or the departments or different departments, like let's say scholarship or placements, they get an bird's eye view. There is also an admin portal and a dashboard wherein they can check all of the data that is being uploaded. They'll also get an analysis report which talks about the gaps in the data. And this is how a data management software can help, especially with AI integrated with it. Thank you.